Have you ever wondered why we suddenly hiccup for no reason? Hiccups happen because of a muscle called the diaphragm, located just below our lungs. When the diaphragm suddenly contracts on its own, air rushes quickly into the lungs. At the same time, the vocal cords snap shut, creating the familiar hic sound. Eating too fast, drinking soda, or swallowing air can trigger hiccups. Sometimes, mixed signals from the brain to the diaphragm cause these spasms. Drinking water slowly or holding your breath helps relax the diaphragm. Don't worry, hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own.